Hello everyone, this is Radhika Deshmukh and welcome to the Bhopal News. Ruling out to Joint Parliamentary Committee probe into alleged surveillance using the Pegasus spyware, Congress leader Shashi Tharoor, who heads the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology, said Wednesday that the committee will do its duty and that the subject is already on mandate of my committee. The House Committee has called a representative of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Home Affairs and Department of Telecommunications on July 28 to discuss citizens' data security and privacy. Tharoor said there was no need to set up JPC to look into the disclosures since the Standing Committee and the JPC have identical rules. He said the government has been saying that they have done no unauthorized surveillance. He said, while one must take the government's word for it, but if they're implying that there was authorized surveillance, then they will have to explain on what basis it is authorized. It is an active issue and until the committee has reported, I cannot speak in my capacity as chairman. As an individual MP, I can say that this is an issue of utmost gravity and seriousness for Indian democracy because the implied allegation is that a government agency has been using a software intended for tracking criminals and terrorists and uses it for the partisan political benefit of the ruling party. That is implied allegation because if you look at the list of the people who have been taped, the figures are either opposition politicians or journalists or people of other kind of similar interest to the ruling party such as Gogoi harassment case family, the lady and her family, secretaries of leaders and so on, he said. Asked whether he believed government would be willing to set up a judicial probe, he said, that's the question. Frankly, I think that some people may be going to the Supreme Court directly to ask for judicial probe, and if Supreme Court doesn't take cognizance of it, there is also Commissions of Inquiry Act under which a judicial probe can be appointed. Thank you. If you find this news informative, please like our channel, subscribe to it and share this news.